What's up, guys? Got the Blackwing up on the lift. For the past couple weeks, I had been noticing real strong smell of fuel when I'd come out here into the garage. Like to grab a protein or grab a drink out of the mini fridge or something. And I started to become suspicious, so I put the car up on the lift and started looking around for like fuel drips or any fuel leaks or something. And what I had noticed was the DSX aux fuel fitting. If you get their aux fuel kit, it taps in right there. So you got a 3/8 inch NPT, 90 degree. I think that's 6 a.m., just a 6 a.m. male. And then a 45 that runs all the way up to the front. So looked under here and I noticed that it was all wet around the seal, and all of the like bluish white looked like it was like washed off almost. So I started doing some research, and the Corvette guys were saying that the syringe of blue sealant that DSX sends with these aux kits isn't really E85 safe. And got to thinking some more, and I was like, yeah, that has to be the case, because I started smelling the fuel smell like as soon as I filled up my second full tank of pure E85. So what I did was I got some this Gasoila ethanol safe PTFE non-hardening sealant, and that's what's in there now. Took the fitting back out, put some of that sealant on there, and buttoned everything back up. But I drove the car probably like 50 miles today, put some more E85 in it, back up under here again, just checking things, and it's definitely good so far. I'll put it on the lift like a week from now too and check it again, but I'll know if it starts leaking because the smell out here is pretty strong. But yeah, so if you guys are gonna run the DSX aux fuel kit, this is a CT5V Blackwing, but on any car you get the same fitting, I think, and the same tube of sealant. But if you plan on running E85, don't use the sealant that comes with the kit. I'll show you guys what I got. Give you a little tour as we get up here. Up close tour. All right, we got this stuff. Gasoila E-Seal, thread sealant, soft set with PTFE for E10 and E85. So we'll see how this holds up. It's what you guys should use. Save yourself the headache if you're gonna start modifying the fuel system of your Blackwing.